Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can change the page width and height for your documents on LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so for this method, you will need to enable the sidebar here in your document on LibreOffice Writer. To do that, click into that handle to the right or drag it here to expand the sidebar menu. Here, what you want to do is switch from the Properties tab to the Page tab, or use the shortcut Alt-S for that. And here under Format, you will see these options. For example, you can choose a page size, a preset size like letter, A4, A5, envelope, and so on and so forth. But below, you will be also given the opportunity to set a custom paper width and height by using these arrow up and down icons. So if I, for example, expand or increase the width, you will see the result to the left. So the page or the paper is clearly expanding horizontally. And you may do the same with the height and expand it. And that's going to make the page longer. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.